Hey, TriMet customers, Todd here. We're on the floor at the Partner Pavilion, SOLIDWORKS Worlds 2019. I'm with Anna at the Artec booth. So what's going on? We got all kinds of scanners and stuff here, right?
Right, that's correct. We brought all our product lines here, and it's basically our handheld scanners over there. The new Leo, which is portable.
Wait, where's the wires?
No wires, just the screen. You scan, everything is in here. And our latest edition is the Ray. It's a LiDAR. Oh, here's the LiDAR. Sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
This is the LiDAR scanner for scanning rooms and some areas that's hard to reach, like the ceiling. We just scan this as the part over there. Basically, anything you want to scan, from small parts like coins, motherboards with sharp edges, thin walls, to the entire notebooks. We can also scan cars, industrial parts, you name it.
Good deal.
TriMet is probably one of the best people to talk to about Artec, because their sales are great, and the variety of applications you guys are selling is enormous. So yeah, you're great partners to have.
Yeah, well, thanks a lot. There's all kinds of the sky's the limit really with the applications. I mean, I don't know if there's anything, like I say, anything goes, right, as far as what you can scan.
As far as what you scan, or as far as what you can do in the software. Like, for instance, right now we are using our beta version of Artec Studio that's going to have a direct export to SOLIDWORKS. And it's going to be much faster and easier to bring parts to SOLIDWORKS.
So you're kind of showing it, previewing that here at the show?
We are showing it here.
Okay,
yes.
Good deal. So stay tuned for the full release, right? All right.
Right. For Artec Studio 14, approximately May timeframe.
Okay. All right, you heard it here, May.
Yes.
All right, thanks a bunch.